Okay. Now we have to see the basics of maths. In that we taught the coordinator parts, coordinator things, and general constructional figures and their properties we started last class. And what are the basic coordinator things we have till now? The last class I was already given. First thing, what are the first concept is line. The second concept is line segment. The
Line segment.
what is the third one is circle. Then after that I taught a semicircle, the fourth one. Then after fourth one is over, the fifth one is square. Then after
Square.
sixth one you go
Sixth
for
one, rectangle.
rectangle. Not
Rectangle.
possible. I can go for rectangle. Then fifth one is after rectangle parallelogram. Okay.
Yes.
After the
Parallelogram.
parallelogram, the fifth extension I can talk here rhombus.
Rhombus.
The rhombus extension topic we has to go for a kite. This is a sequential order
Kite.
is there. Then after kite we enter into the cube. This is the one level of set. Okay. After this we should enter into the eighth one is cube. Then after cube we go for
Cube.
the ninth one immediately cuboid.
Cuboid.
Then after cuboid we went after that we has to enter later you can take cone to easy understand. Just you can take cone. Then after you can go for cylinder.
Okay.
Cone after the last
Cylinder.
one you go for sphere. Anything is we are
Sphere.
missing?
Okay.
Sphere. Cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder. I think 8 is previous one. 7 is finished. 8, 9, 10. 8, 9 is given. 10, it is 11. Now it is 12 concepts are there, which are very famous. We has to know each and everything very clearly. Okay. So I'll take which each and everything. I'll explain what is what. Okay. So when you're taking the properties or something else,
Okay.
you people has to know. Some people might have a confusion. What do you understand by area and surface area? Area is different, surface area is different. Surface area, there are two types of areas are there. One thing is lateral surface area, lateral or curved surface area. Lateral surface area, curved surface area. The next one, total surface area. Total surface area, I think the thing is what, total surface area is nothing but lateral surface area plus rest of area. Lateral surface area means rest of area. Total becomes a total surface area. TSA they call it as. TSA means total surface area.
Total
Lateral means
surface area.
lateral surface means LSA. Curved surface area means CSA. Okay. Then after this is the
Okay.
area and surface area. Surface area there are two types: lateral surface area, curved surface area. The surface area means total surface area means this is a combination of things. I'll discuss very clearly. So he has to know what is area, surface area.
Okay.
Then after this surface area, we should talk about volume. What do you understand volume? These three things we has to know. So first of all, I'll take one by one concept. I'll explain it is. First of all, you can take an area. Just to take an area. So area means the concept is very clear. Let us take one square. Let us take one square. A square means the how many number of planes or how many number of particles which should be go. Let us take one room, like a square type one room you can take. Let us, you need to pick bricks or something, boxes you need to fill it out. One box, two box, three box, four box, five boxes. I think how much number of boxes you need to fill and how much area should be occupied. The total complete set of things will take place. The concept is called as area. Area means how much area should be occupied this box, that will decided by area concept. So still you not clear, once again I'll take and one more example I'll explain to you, and very which wherever this concept it will be useful for ourselves in the regular scenario. Let us, I'll take you are having in your home, we are constructing a new building, we are having new building, this is a ground floor, this is a ground floor, this is a, let us take a square, we have a ground floor is there. A ground floor we have to fill with the tiles. You're ordered one tile, the tile size should be like this, 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. We have a one tile size, each tile size is 4 centimeter. Okay, so total area of a square is 4 into 4, 16 centimeters of single tile area is 16 centimeter. But how many number of tiles will fill this total your ground floor? You don't count, you don't say 1 2 3 4, we don't know how much tiles will fix. Let us say don't it, if you say don't 20, there may be 20 tile, maybe more or less, we cannot fix. So first of all we can calculate the total ground floor area. After that, how many number of tiles you fix? So in such a case, how much area should be covered, these tiles? In such a case, we can find number of tiles by using this concept is called as area. Okay. So simple, I'm telling, just you need to understand what is the area. So then after that, the area concept, just you can take general area concepts will comes under only plane surfaces. Plane surfaces only, general area concept will come. Plane surface means a square, a rectangle, or a parallelogram, and a rhombus, and a kite. This comes on just area concept will come. Next, where you get in surface area concept. Just what is the where you get your concept is called surface area. Okay, surface area. I told you a lateral surface area and a curved surface area. These are two parts of surface areas. So please try to concentrate on that. What is area and the surface area taking over here? You can try to looking into the case. So let us take, I'll take a cube. Cube is nothing but a four-sided figure. Like you are having a college school, you have a chalk piece box. I think you have an idea, chalk piece box. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Chalk piece
Yes, yes.
box is having how many number of sides? It has 6 sides. What are one
Yes,
side
sir.
one, side two, side three, side four.
Side 3, side 4.
Side four sides here. Top one side is side number 5. Down we have side number 6. Okay. There are 6 faces. We can number of telling us faces under in technically call it as faces. Faces. 6 faces. Okay. 6 faces.
6 faces.
Okay. 4 side faces. Top face, fifth, sixth one is the bottom face. Okay. Generally, the lateral is nothing but. I think let us take in your room. In your home, you can take a room. A room look like a cube. The cube is nothing but we have 4 side walls. 4 walls on type like this. 4 walls. Top ground is we have a make a tiles. The top one we can call with floor. Okay. Only walls we are having 4 sided walls. Only 4 sides walls pedtaru. Make a bricks. We are making 4 sides bricks. But ground is we have made with tiles. The bottom one we make with floors. So lateral means we want only tiles. We want only for what you can say uh, sides, 4 sides. These 4 sides is nothing but a lateral. We can call it lateral is nothing but a 4-sided figure is nothing but a lateral. Am I clear? Right? So in examination, what they're asking is the lateral surface area means the area of the 4 sides. Once again, I'm telling the lateral means you can say lateral means you can take top and bottom you can leave. అంటే పైనది కిందది వదిలేసేయాల. Only sides తీసుకోవాలి. Lateral అంటే ఏంటిది? Area of one side, area of 2 sides, area of 3 sides, area of 4 sides. Lateral అంటే only 4 sides తీసుకోవాలి. Top bottom వదిలేసేయాల. Okay na? Now it's clear, right? Lateral
Okay.
means only 4 sides.
Yeah.
Not take bottom, not take top. This is lateral. Next, when you are telling total surface area means what you can say lateral surface area plus rest of areas. So lateral surface area and me A1 plus A2 plus A3 A4 lateral. But rest of the means what? A5 and A6. A5 and A6. This is the rest of area. This is the lateral surface area. Now we understand. This is what is lateral, what is rest
Okay.
of area, what is
Understood.
total. So if they're asking what is the area of a cuboid means, he has to find lateral and he has to find rest of area. Then after you can add both. Now it is clear. Then the difference between lateral surface area, curved surface area means both concepts are same. There are slight different. What is the different? I'll try to explain. Let us try to take a same item. Take your chalk piece box. Your chalk piece box should be like this. Let us take. Let us take. You people are very clear. This is the cone. Cone ice cream. एक बात else kada. This is like a cone ice cream.
Yes.
Okay. I think here you take a sides. This side should be like boxes model. This side should be a box model. It is a regular
Box.
shape. Box model. All sides should be regular shape. This regular shape box model called a lateral. But go for this. What is this side should be look like a round shape, a circle shape, a curvature shape. This shape should be curvature shape. That is what this side you can call as curved surface area. The people call it as curved surface area. These people call it as a lateral surface area. Now it's
Lateral
clear.
surface area.
The
Yes.
curved surface area. Okay. Now we clear what is lateral, what is curved, what is total.
Yes.
Okay.
Now its area is clear, very thing. Now we go for the second concept important, perimeter. I forgot to say perimeter. The people are confused. What is the difference between perimeter and area? It is different. Perimeter is nothing but, let us take one square you take. One square you take. Okay. The perimeter means we have a home like this, a square model. Please mute yourself all. Mute yourself all. Perimeter means you has to start here. You have to go like this and go down and come left, come to here. How much distance you covered to make a fencing? మీ ఇంటి చుట్టూ ఇట్లా కట్టాలనుకోండి కాంపౌండ్ వాళ్ళు, ఎంత టైం పడుతుంది, ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ మీరు ట్రావెల్ చేయాలి మీ చుట్టూ తిరిగి రావడానికి? దిస్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఎ పెరిమీటర్. లెటర్స్ ఐ టేక్ అన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఇక్కడ నుంచి దిస్ ఇస్ 4 centimeter, this is a 4 centimeter, this is a 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. How much a perimeter, Nana? 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. What is the answer is? 16.
16.
I think you have a ground, your college ground should be like this. Example I am telling, this is a 8 meters, this is a 2 meters, this is a 8 meter, this is a 2 meter. How much a perimeter they're telling? 8 plus 2 plus 8 plus 2. Now 16 plus 4. Answer is 20.
16 plus 20.
This is a perimeter. This is a perimeter. Now clear what is perimeter? Fencing etla bettali. This perimeter.
Yes.
I think one more take example, very brief time. What is the perimeter? To take one more example, irregular shape you take. This is one circle you take example. Okay. Here it is the total here to here. It is, let us 20 centimeter. How much a perimeter? 20 centimeter.
20 centimeter.
So where you start, where you stop. This is a 20 centimeter. Now I'll take one more irregular shape. I'll try to take to understand. This is not your syllabus, just I am telling over here. Example, if they will come example, this is 2 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, this is a 10 centimeter. Example I am telling, this is a 4 centimeter. What's the perimeter? You start from here, go 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 10, 17, 17 plus 4, 21. The answer is
21.
So this is the perimeter. Now clear. What is the perimeter? What is this? Area.
Area.
Okay. There are many times you people are confusion here. The area means how much area should be covered, your bricks. The perimeter means how much length is required to make it your fencing area. Both are different. Okay. Now it's clear. Now we enter into the one more interesting concept, volume. I think where you get volume and which kind of things you have to possess a volume. But a volume weighty untundi, weighty undadu. Volume and a concept annetiki undadandi. Some cases only having a volume. Example I'll take. The volume is a concept will come which kind of objects which possess a volume. Something which can pour, something which can pour or which can having, which can something which can pour, it should be
Pour means
occupied.
what?
Pour means I'll tell you. Example, I'll come to the point only. I think let us take one spear you take. Okay, let us one spear, cone ice cream, let us spear you take. One cylinder you take. Okay, one jar like this you can take jar. One cone like this. Am I clear, right? So similarly, you can take one white paper, one box paper you take. Okay, take a water now. Water తీసుకోండి, వాటర్ పోయండి. ఇక్కడ వాటర్ ఉంటాయండి, పేపర్ లో ఉంటాయా? ఉండవు. It is not possible. Pouring means keeping the water inside. Now you can keep water here. This you can, this spear it can pour the water, it can take. Now you can take a water jar, it can possessing a something water should be pour. The object which can pour something else, what can going to be something it should be going to handle, those comes under volume concept. అంటే వీటికి వాల్యూమ్ ఉంటుంది అనాలి. This possessing a volume. దీనికి వాల్యూమ్ ఉండదండి. This cannot having a volume. Okay. Now clear? Okay. Now I'll take an sample. Now we can take. Now I'll take one sample example. I'll tell you. I'll take now concept of area. Now lateral surface area. Now curved surface area. Now I'll take a perimeter. Now I'll take what can I say? Volume. I'll take some diagrams. You people has to say what are the things should be going to be happening. Let us take number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Matching తీసుకుందాం చెప్తాం. Okay. Let us take. I'll take one example. I'll take a square. I'll take a diagram. వీటికి ఏమేమి ఉంటుందో మీరు చెప్పాలి మీరే. స్క్వేర్ కి ఏముంటుందండి? ఏరియా ఉంటుంది కదా. నెంబర్ 1 లాటరల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా ఉంటుందండి. లాటరల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా ఉంటుందా? ఉండదు. లాటరల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా ఉండదండి. లాటరల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా అంటే ఇంకా సైడ్స్ ఎత్తుగా ఉంటుందా? ఏమన్నా వాల్స్ ఉంటాయండి స్క్వేర్ కి? పేపర్ కి ఉంటాయా? ఉండవు. సో లాటరల్ సర్ఫేస్, కర్వ్డ్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా ఉంటుందా? ఉండదు. లాటరల్ లో నెక్స్ట్ పెరిమీటర్ ఉంటుంది. ఇట్ డెఫినెట్లీ పెరిమీటర్ హ్యావింగ్ 4. వాల్యూమ్ ఉంటుందా? ఇట్ డజంట్ హ్యావ్ ఏ వాల్యూమ్.
No.
Volume.
Yes.
That's
No,
Very
sir.
good. Very good. Similarly, as like a square, we have to take rectangle also same. Rectangle also same. Same category. 1 and 4. Okay, clear? Huh?
yeah.
Now
Yeah.
good idea.
Okay.
Now let us
Clear.
I'll take a second one. Now let us take a cube. I'll take cube. Cube means I think I told you your chalk piece box in your college or school. Now you tell me what are the things you're going to be having here. Area ఉంటుంది కదా? Area is there. Lateral surface
Yes.
area is lateral surface
Yes.
area ఉంటుంది. Second one is but not curved
Yeah.
surface area. This should be not a curvature. But perimeter is there. Definitely
Perimeter.
perimeter is there. Volume is there.
Yes.
Chalk piece
Yes.
box also you can keep a water.
Yes, sir.
Volume is there. Now is very good. Now I'll take a third case. Now I'll take a third case for your understanding. I'll take cylinder now. A cylinder. Cylinder means cylinder or else I'll take cylinder. Cylinder
Okay.
nothing but a box, a round shape box, a round glass or a glass of water you can take. Okay, sides ఇట్లా ఉండాలి సేమ్ ఉండాలి వాటర్ గ్లాస్ కాదు వాటర్ గ్లాస్ కింద డౌన్ ఉంటుంది ఇట్ ఈస్ లైక్ ఎ బాక్స్ పెయింట్
Yes.
బాక్స్ we can take a paint box should be like the cylinder. Now people has to say what is going to be having over here. What is having area? It is,
Area.
but it is
Yeah.
not
Yes.
lateral surfaces is not having. It is you should be
That is
curvature.
not there.
It is curvature nature sides. So curved
Yes.
surface area.
Perimeter.
Perimeter is
Yes.
there. Definitely perimeter is there. You can take
Is there.
volume is there.
Volume also. Volume also.
Volume also is there.
Okay. Now one more thing is there. Generally, I'll try to say one more interesting concept. You are not supposed to be calculate anywhere this perimeter concept in cube concept, cylinder concept. You are not supposed to calculate regularly because already it is bounding is there. You are not supposed to calculate. Generally, I'm telling it possessing how much fencing is required faces, but it generally we are not supposed to calculate. This thing should be very clear. Now clear, Nana? All volume cases, this is
Yeah.
pi, right? Fall.
Yes.
Now this is
Yes.
the difference between area, lateral surface area, curved surface area, perimeter, and volume.
Surface, perimeter and volume.
Very good. Now let us take this is the clear, right? Now let us start working all these things. I'll make it very fast today. Now first thing is I'll come to one by one. Please keep at mind line. So what do you understand by line actually? A line is nothing but it is extended less figure. It is keep on going on the endless. Infinite length of there keep on
Endless.
undefined length. Okay, if a college anybody having what is the length of a line, what is the length of line, we cannot say length. So line is we don't have a length.
Undefined.
Undefined. Now let us take I'll take second
Undefined.
one, line segment.
Segment.
Part of a line.
Very good, it is part of a line. It is there, it is total length is there, it is taking a 5 centimeter. This you can take a line segment is AB. We can take AB bar. Bar is equal to 5
AB
centimeters.
is equal to 5 centimeters.
Line segment is a defined length which can from the length. Okay, line segment is clear. Now please tell me what is the third one, Anna? Circle.
Circle.
Now you are a topper. Now circles. I has to know circle. So circle, please. I think you know the figure. This is a circle.
Point.
So this having a radius is
Yes.
smaller. This here to here smaller. The
And
total.
diameter. Radius also diameter also.
This is a diameter.
Diameter.
So I told you
Yeah.
the circle is possessing. I think you know the formula. Area of a circle. So
Circle.
pi r square. Write on the formula pi r square.
Yeah.
R is the radius
Pi r
left
square.
here. The pi value is 22 by 7. Next, this
Yeah.
possessing a perimeter. Existing perimeter. The perimeter means 2 pi r. Formula is 2 pi r. So r is radius. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. And don't think that a circle keep. I think it doesn't have a volume. Some people are telling it's volume. No, it doesn't have a volume because circle paper water was it should be fall down. It doesn't have a volume. Area and perimeter. Clear? Good.
Yeah.
Then next, and next we'll go fourth one is
Semicircle.
Semicircle. So semicircle means I told you it is 50% of your circle. I told you this is a very dangerous
Yeah.
concept here. Semicircle like this. A semicircle means here to here it is radius. Clear? Here to here one radius.
Radius and diameter.
Yeah. This complete setup is diameter. Okay. Now I told you what is the area of a semicircle. Area of a semicircle means 50% of circle.
Pi r 2 by 2.
50% of pi r. Okay.
Square by 2.
Okay, right? Pi r square by 2. 50% of your area. Second one is I told you perimeter. Perimeter means
We have
2 pi r by 2.
1 by 2 2 pi r
2
అంటే
r.
50% ఆఫ్ యువర్ సర్కిల్ అంటే ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంది. బట్ మీకు ఫెన్సింగ్ కావాలంటే యూ నీడ్ టు కంప్లీట్ ద టోటల్ ఫుల్ఫిల్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్సో, రైట్? సో వాట్ యూ హ్యాస్ టు డూ, దిస్ మేక్ ఇట్ 2r. Don't take 50% of perimeter directly. 50% means here to here fencing will come, but what about this, who will take care? This you need to fill it out, right? So you can take 2 pi r by 2 plus 2r. You can take a 2 to cancel
2r.
here, pi r plus 2r. If you are comfortable, you can take pi r plus
2r.
50, pi r plus
2r.
d
2r.
also. This 2r method diameter d you can take, or you can take common here pi you, or you can take common 2 plus pi also. You can take anyone. All are correct only. You can stop here better. You don't need confusion. You can do pi r plus 2r. It's enough. This is a semicircle possessing area perimeter. It doesn't have a volume. Now it's clear.
Volume.
Volume.
Now switch
Yes.
on to
Yeah.
the fifth. Now switch on to the fifth one. What is the fifth one? Now
Square.
take square. Okay. Now I'll take a square. Now
It's
square,
a
I told you
four-sided
it is a
figure.
four-sided figure which are
Both
having
sides figure.
All equal
equal.
sides.
All are equal sides. I'll take sides AA. You can take SS, no problem. I'll take first formula here. Area of a circle. So area of a square.
Side into side.
Area
Side
into
into
side
side.
into
Side
side.
into side.
Answer is a square. Now second one, perimeter. Perimeter means all sides you need to add a plus a. Answer is,
A plus
answer is 4a.
4a. 4a.
Okay, this is the LKG thing. Now we are interested in the properties, very important. Properties. Properties same ante. This is called a diagonals. They call it a diagonals. Diagonals and opposite corner into the diagonal center. So diagonal D1, diagonal D2. Properties number one property is diagonals are equal. Very important. Diagonals are equal. First thing.
Equal.
Second one, angles ఉంటాయి ఇక్కడ. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. All angles are same. All angles are same and equal to 90
same.
degrees and 90 degrees. Okay, all angles are same and it should be 90 degrees. Then all sides are same. All sides are same. All sides are same. Then fourth thing is diagonal midpoint is same. That is not required for you. Till this 8th class is, unless you can take diagonal midpoint. Diagonal midpoint is same. Diagonal midpoint is same means 1 second you made very clarity. I'll give that. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఈ రెండింటి మధ్యలో పాయింట్ ఎక్కడండి? ఇక్కడ. ఈ రెండింటికి మధ్యలో పాయింట్ ఏంటండి? ఇక్కడ. The both points should be coincide same place. That is what diagonal midpoint is same. Clear? Property is very, very important. I'm telling. Okay.
Okay.
After the square, I'll directly enter into the sixth one. I don't take rectangle. I'll take rhombus. I'll come to the rectangle later. Rhombus. Rhombus, it look like a square. Rhombus, it look like a square. All sides are same length. All sides are same length. Let us take this is a side A. This is also side A. This is also side A. But diagonals should not be same. Diagonals are not supposed to same. This is a diagonal D1, a longer one. This is a diagonal D2, a shorter one. Okay, that is the difference of a rhombus and a square. I think square, all sides are same, diagonals are same. Your diagonals should not be same. That is the difference here. Now let us enter into the. Now let us enter into the one area. Area of a rhombus is half into diagonal D1 into diagonal D2. Very important. Okay.
Half into diagonal D1 into diagonal D2.
Second one, Nana, perimeter. Perimeter means
A plus
A plus A plus A. Answer is 4A. A plus A plus A plus A. 4A. Okay, na? Now let us go for a properties. What is the properties of this? Number one property, all sides are same. All sides are same length. Because all are same. A is equal to A is equal to L. One property. Next is diagonals are not equal. Main important, diagonals are not equal.
Not equal.
Okay, na? Diagonals are not equal. Next, angles are not same. Angles are not same. And all angles are different. All angles are not same. Next, one more interesting point is fourth point. Opposite angles same. Opposite angles are same. All angles are not same. Opposite angles is same. It's nothing but I can say for your sake of understanding very clearly. This is, let us take angle A. This is angle of angle C. This is angle B, angle D. What can I say? Angle A is equal to angle C. Angle B is equal to angle D. Okay, clear, Anana?
Okay.
The opposite angles are same,
Yeah.
but not all same. But previous case,
Yeah.
opposite, all angles are same. There is no opposite. Okay. Now this is a rhombus.
Okay.
Now immediately I'll turn him back to the seventh one. I'll take kite and I'll come to the latter. Next
Kite.
I'll take kite. The
Okay.
kite is, it's very simple. I think you people are using a kite actually. The kite thing is what you're thinking is different. The kite sides, the side adjacent sides and the paka sides same ఉంటాయి. ఈ పక్క సేమ్ ఉంటుంది. ఇది kite. I think example, this is a 2 centimeter, this is a 2 centimeter, this should be 6 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter. Example I'm telling. Side same ఉంటాయి. అన్ని సేమ్ ఉండవు kite లో. ఓకేనా? This is a
Okay.
diagonal D1, this
Okay.
is a diagonal D2. This is a kite. Okay na? Right? Here same formula. What is the area of a kite? Area of a kite same half into D1 into D2.
D1 into D2.
Its perimeter
Half into
means A plus A and B plus B.
A plus A,
This is
B
nothing
plus
but
B.
2A plus 2B.
A
You
plus
can
B.
take 2 times of A plus B. Don't by heart the formulas. You have to understand, copy the formulas. Like this you think and you can write. Next, go for a properties. Very important properties. Properties same ante adjacent sides same. Adjacent sides same. Adjacent sides same length. And means this is a side, this is a side. Both are same length. Clear? And this is a side, this is a side.
Yeah.
Both are same. Second
Both are
one
same.
is opposite angles also. I'm not sure to say opposite angles are same. You can take opposite angles same. Opposite angles same. Takes diagonals are not same. Diagonals are not same.
Not same.
Because this is D1, this is D2. Both are different. Only adjacent sides are same. This is the properties of kite. Clear?
Okay.
Now I'll take eighth one. Rectangle. Your favorite thing is rectangle.
Rectangle. Yeah.
Now this is rectangle. Now thing is rectangle. It's very yeah. This is a four-sided figure. Like this is a four-sided figure. Opposite sides
are equal.
The longest one
equal.
I'll take it is L. The shortest one I'll take it is B. It's very simple. Now diagonals are there. This is a diagonal one, Nana. A, B, C, D. This is a diagonal D2.
Right.
Now you are toppers. Please welcome the answers. Number one. First one is area. Area of a rectangle is
B.
side into side, length into length.
L and TB.
Next perimeter means you have to take here start LB, LB.
L plus B.
So L plus B, L plus B.
B.
You can take 2L plus 2B. You can take copy 2 times of L plus B.
Of L plus B.
It doesn't have any volume. You cannot say formula for volume. Okay. Now let us go for a properties. The property is very simple. Number one, for first property is opposite sides are same. Opposite sides are same.
Sides are same.
Opposite sides are same, and this is both are same length. This is example 5 centimeter. This is also 5 centimeter. This is a 3 centimeter. This is also 3 centimeter. All
Also
sides
3
are same.
centimeters.
So L is equal to L, and first one is B is equal to B. Opposite sides are same. First thing. Next, all angles same. All angles are same. Let us equal to angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D.
Angle
Is
D.
equal to all angles are 90 degrees. Only 90 degrees ఉంటాయి.
Okay.
Next, third one is diagonals are same length.
Diagonals are same length.
Under diagonals means AC one diagonal,
Oh, okay.
BD one diagonal. Both are same length. Okay. Next, midpoint also same. Midpoint of diagonal. Midpoint of diagonal. Midpoint of diagonal are same. అంటే AC midpoint ఎంత ఉంటుందో BD midpoint కూడా అంతే ఉంటుంది. ఈ రెండింటి మధ్యలో ఎక్కడ పాయింట్ ఉంటుంది, ఈ రెండు మధ్యలో midpoint కూడా సేమ్ ఉంటుంది. క్లియరా? Now we discussed many things. What we taught till now, it's very simple concepts I taught. The starting we cleared. Line is clear. Line, segment, circle, semicircle, square, rectangle. This is a rhombus kite. One parallelogram is pending, right? Now I'll discuss
Yes, sir.
parallelogram. Now next, what is the number? Number 9, parallelogram. Parallelogram. The parallelogram is look like a rectangular figure, but should be curvature nature, like this it is there. Opposite sides are same, it should be not like, it should be like this. Clear? This is a parallelogram. This is a length, this is a length, all are same. This is a breadth, this is a breadth. Opposite sides are
Breadth.
same.
All are
Okay.
same.
Diagonals are not same. Diagonal, this is the D1. Diagonal, this is the
Okay.
D2. Both diagonals are different. Okay. So now let us take, I'll draw this parallelogram very neatly to understand very clearly. This is a parallelogram. This you can take, it is a, let us, I'll take it is, this is a length L clear. This is a length L clear. This is a breadth B clear. This is a breadth B clear. Let us to write the formula of area. Please, I'll take one line. This line is called as height of the parallelogram. When you're writing a formula for parallelogram, the area of a parallelogram means side into side. This is the one side length. Don't take side this one. This you can take height is a side. We require a perpendicular part is required when you're taking a side into side. It's very, very interesting concept. This is especially parallelogram. So area of parallelogram you can say a length into height you can say. Length into height you can say. This is a length and height. Very, very important. Next, perimeter is same. Perimeter as usual. L plus B plus L plus B. Fencing is same. So similarly,
L
2L
plus
plus 2B, 2 times of L plus B. Okay. Now we can take properties. I'm trying to introduce the properties. The first property is opposite sides are same. Opposite sides are same. Because this side and this side, opposite sides are same. Second one, opposite angles are same. Opposite angles same. Opposite angles means angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. Clear? Opposite angles are same. Next, diagonals are not, diagonals which are not equal. Diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are not equal. This is what the properties of your parallelogram. Till clear? Now we discuss 9 things. There are rest of 4 things we required that we'll discuss in the next class. Okay.